Introducing to you the Ti-cool Titanium Ice Pack. The future of cooling with superior performance and eco-friendly design. Ti-coolX titanium ice packs represent a significant advancement over traditional plastic alternatives, offering superior thermal conductivity and environmental benefits. Unlike plastic ice packs, which risk coolant leakage and environmental harm, Ti-coolX products are designed with a completely sealed structure that prevents any leakage. Made from 99.9% pure titanium, these ice packs excel in durability and performance, effectively maintaining lower temperatures for extended periods and proving to be a more eco-friendly choice thanks to their reusability. Let's dive in.
I'm absolutely loving this titanium ice pack. My favorite feature is its slim design. This will fit in many different places. Out with these old big bulky ice packs, you see the difference? I can store 7 or 8 of these in here where I can just store a couple of these.
Some of its main features include pure titanium material, instant freezing capability, long-lasting cold retention, antibacterial properties, superior oxidation and corrosion resistance, safe, eco-friendly, and easy to clean, compact and versatile design, leak-proof sealing, exceptional strength and lightweight design, long-term freezing efficiency. The ice pack comes packaged really well. Let's see what's all included.
I highly recommend you check out this titanium ice pack. This keeps my drinks really cold and it stays cold for a really long time. This will always be in my lunchbox or my cooler. Check it out, it'll be linked down below.